Hi students, welcome for another session of our class 9th, chapter 2, Polynomials and Factorisation. In our previous sessions, we already started our exercise 2.2. Some of the problems also we have completed in our previous session. In this session, we are going to continue from there. Question number 4. What is given? Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following. Here, few polynomials are given. So I wrote all 4 polynomials here. The remaining polynomials you do by observing this solution how to find out. So first one is f of x is equal to x plus 2. This is the polynomial given. For this polynomial we have to find the zero. What is mean by zero of the polynomial? In a polynomial, what is the variable? In which variable the polynomial is given? That variable, in the variable's place, for what value the entire polynomial becomes zero. That value is called the zero of the polynomial. That means in place of x, what you need to substitute in order to get the whole value as equal to 0. So that is what actually zero of the polynomial. So instead of finding the zero exactly, you have to just suppose this is equal to 0, so that you will be getting the variable value. So let us take first f of x, the polynomial itself is equal to 0. Then f of x is what is given, x plus 2. So that x plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find the variable value actually. So the remaining constant term, whatever is there, you just transpose it from the left hand side to right hand side. If anything is transposed from one side to another side, its sign changes. Here what is the sign in front of the constant term? Plus is there. When it goes that side, it will become negative. So x is equal to, the plus 2 becomes minus 2. This is the value of x. What is that x? That is the variable involved in this polynomial. That means in this polynomial f of x is equal to x plus 2. In place of x, if you substitute minus 2, that minus 2 plus 2, whole polynomial becomes 0. That means this is the value which is the zero of this polynomial. Very simple. That's all. The polynomial only you have to suppose it is equal to 0. Then whatever the variable is there, that variable only keep it on the left side, remaining all the terms you transpose to the right hand side. So whatever the value you get ultimately at last, that is the exact zero of the given polynomial. So what is the zero of this given polynomial now? Minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Therefore, minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial f of x is equal to x plus 2. So very simple. Hope you understood. Let us see the 3 more problems so that the remaining problems you can do by your own. So let us do the second one. What I told you first, in order to find the zero of the given polynomial, just you only suppose the polynomial is equal to 0 first. So let the polynomial f of x is equal to 0. But actually what is f of x? F of x is equal to x minus 2. So that x minus 2 is equal to 0. Just transpose the constant terms all towards the right hand side. Only the variable which is there, that you keep it in the left side. Left side x is as it is. So the minus 2 when transposed from this side to that side to become plus 2. So this is what the 0 actually. The variable value is equal to what? 2. So therefore 2 is the 0. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to x minus 2. Very simple, right? So the next one also will be, let f of x is equal to 0 first. Then f of x is what? 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So the thing what we need to find, the variable value only we need to find. So the variable where it is involved, that only you keep on the left side. Remaining things you transpose that side. That plus 3 transpose that side will become minus 3. We need to bring only simple variable only. Remaining all the terms you have to transpose. One more term is remained, what is that? 2. So that 2 is in quotient place. So when it goes that side, it will become in the denominator's place. So x is equal to, here already minus 3 is there. This 2 when you transpose that side, here in between 2 and x, what is their multiplication? When it goes that side, it will become denominator. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the 0. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. That's all. Similarly, we have to do the next problem also. Let f of x is equal to 0 first of all, then f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to the minus 3 transpose, that side it becomes plus 3. Then again 2 also transpose, it will be in the denominator. X is equal to what? 3 by 2. So therefore, the 3 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Hope you understood this solutions. Very simple. So in order to find the 0 of the polynomial, just take the entire polynomial itself is equal to 0. Then in the polynomial, whatever the variable involved, that variable only keep on the left hand side. The rest all you have to transpose to the right hand side. So that last value, whatever you get, that is the 0 of the given polynomial. So remaining few problems are there in the same bit, fourth one. You do the remaining to understand by your own. Okay. So let us go for the next fifth question. Say question number 5. What is given? If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then find the value of a. In this polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, if you substitute this 2 in place of the variable x, then it becomes 0. It is given like that. What is given? If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x, that means the polynomial in which variable? X variable. The polynomial p of x has got a 0. What is that? 2. That means in place of the variable x, if you substitute 0, if you substitute 2, the entire polynomial becomes 0. That is the meaning of that given question. What is given? If 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then what is the value of a? We need to find. So what is given? Given that 2 is the 0. 2 is the 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. What does it mean? That p of 2, that means in place of the variable x, if you substitute 2, it becomes 0. But p of x is equal to what? Is all. So now p of x in place of x, you have to substitute. See, 2 into x. X means what? 2. So 2 into 2 whole square minus 3 into in place of x, you have to substitute what? 2 minus plus 7a is equal to 0. Now go for the simplification. Here what is there? 2 into 2 square means 2 into 2 2 times. That is 4 minus 3 into 2 6 plus 7a. Now 2 4s are 8 minus 6 plus 7a. Now 8 minus 6 is how much? 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. What actually we need to find? The value of a. So let the a be remain on the left side. Remaining all the terms you have to transpose towards the right side. So 7a will be here. This plus 2 transpose that side will become minus 2. Again a will be remaining here. The 7 it is in the product. That means the quotient. When you take that side it will become denominator. So minus 2 by 7. This is what the value of a we got. Means if 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then what is the value of a? It is minus 2 by 7. Hope you understood the solution. Very simple. 0 means in place of the variable what value you are keeping, so that the entire polynomial becomes 0. Here itself it is given in the question 2 is the 0. That means in place of the variable x, if you substitute 2, that polynomial becomes 0. Substitute the 2 in it, p of 2 will be equal to 0. So wherever the variable x is there, just substitute 2 and go for the simplification, you will be getting the value of a. This is what we require to find out. Hope you understood. Let us move on to the question number 6. See what is given in the question number 6, which is the last question of this exercise. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, 0 and 1, both are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, then find values of a and b. So we need to find the values of A and B. For this problem there are two zeros given. 0 is one of the 0 and 1 also one of the 0. So let us write the question and the solution. So if 0 is the number 0 and 1 are zeros of polynomial this polynomial, that is p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. So these two, 0 and 1, both are the zeros of this polynomial. 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Then find the values of a and b. Then find the values of a and b. Oh, we have to find. These two are there in the polynomial. First of all, 0 is one of the polynomials and 1 also one of 0 is one of the 0 and 1 also is one of the 0 of the polynomial. These are the two zeros. That means according to the question, what is given? Given 0 is the 0 of 0 is the 0 of p of x is equal to, what is that? 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is one. And what is given? 1 also. And 1 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. 0 is the 0 and 1 is also the 0 of the polynomial. So 0 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x. That means in place of the variable x, we have to keep 0. That means p of 0 is equal to 0. This is the first thing. So p of 0 means wherever in the very polynomial p of x, 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, in all the places of x, we have to substitute 0 so that the entire polynomial value becomes 0. So p of 0, the p of x is here, in place of x we have substituted 0. So 2 into 0 cube, but plus in place of x only we have to write 0, minus 3 into x square, that means 0 square, plus again ax, a into 0 plus b is equal to, this all is equal to 0. Okay. Now 2 into 0 cube is 0 only, minus 3 into 0 square is 0 only, plus a into 0, anything into 0 is 0 only, plus b. 0, 2 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 0, 0, plus 0, plus b is equal to 0. All zeros only there, only b is remaining. That means what is the value of b? B is equal to 0. We got b is equal to, b value we have already got it by using the 0 is one of the 0 of the polynomial. Next, if 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, what will get is 6. So that means what? P of 1 is equal to 0. Now, in place of x, you have to substitute 1. So 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into x means 1 plus b, that is equal to 0. Now 2 into 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 3 times, that is 1 only, minus 3 into 1 square means 1 into 1 2 times, that is 1 only, plus a into 1 into everything will be the same as b is a plus b is equal to 0. Now 2 ones are 2, minus 3 ones are 3, plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now 2 minus 3 is minus 1, plus a plus b is equal to 0. This minus 1 you take that side, a plus b is equal to, minus 1 is transpose that side to become plus 1. But a plus b is equal to 1, b value already we have got it. So take this as equation 1. From equation 1, what we can write? In place of b, you can substitute these values, right? So So a plus b value is what? 0. That is 0 is equal to 1. A plus 0 is a is equal to what? 1 only. That means what we need to find actually? Find the values of a and b. A value is 1, b value is 0. If 0 and 1 are both are the zeros of this given polynomial. Very simple. Hope you understood. With this, we have completed our exercise 2.2. So when we meet in the next session, we will be discussing some more topics related to polynomials and factorization. Hope you all understood this class today. Thank you very much for watching this video.